Welcome back, kings, queens, and jokers. Here for another episode of Chop It Like It's Hot with Judd. That's me.
Alright, Judd here. About to whip up some pure magic today. We're talking the cheesy chicken cauliflower rice bowl. A dish so epic it deserves its own theme music. Tacos? Love them. They're a Tuesday night ritual. But my low-carb wraps pull the disappearing act faster than that last cookie. So we pivot, baby. Time to put that chicken through a golden brown boot camp, searing it to perfection. Chicken's done. Looking like it just won a wrestling match. Perfectly brown. Ready for its close-up. Now, for Flavor Central. 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic puree. Because plain chicken is an absolute tragedy. Then a splash of water. Just enough to get everything sizzling and mingling. Now, everything's doing the cha-cha slide in the pan. Frozen cauliflower rice? Challenge accepted. We toss it in the pan and cook it till it's drier than a stand-up comedian's last joke. Then, another tablespoon of garlic puree, because rules are suggestions, especially about garlic. Now, a generous hail of fresh, coarse, cracked pepper, just a tiny flavor explosion, and a precise sprinkle of salt. Give it a quick shuffle, ensuring every grain is coated in flavor, and boom, set aside, this rice is now a culinary masterpiece. Behold, the queso. On low heat, we summon a cheesy deity. 2 ounces of Velveeta, because sophistication is overrated when you want ooey gooey perfection. 3 tablespoons of canned green chilies, because it's good to have a little spice in your life. Now, listen up. 3 tablespoons of taco sauce. I'm talking Old El Paso, baby. I use their medium. As long as it's got that signature zing, we're in business. Or whatever liquid gold you hoard. And about an ounce of shredded cheddar. Now, we shuffle all that together until it's officially a molten hot, gooey-licious flavor bomb volcano. Like a perfect romance brewing in a pot, right? Then, a whisper of heavy cream, and give it another long, loving shuffle. We want this sauce smoother than a jazz saxophonist. And keep it warm. This isn't just cheese, it's a hug in a bowl with a kick. First, lettuce forms the base of our majestic bowl. Then, the cauliflower rice takes center stage. This edible masterpiece is ready. Next, the ground chicken. Don't be shy, load it up. This chicken is a star, and it deserves top billing. Now, for the main event, our magnificent gooey queso. This isn't just cheese, this is liquid gold. Why did the cheese cross the road, you ask? Because it wanted to get to the other side of this amazing life-changing bowl. Get ready, folks, because here comes a flavor revolution that'll rock your taste buds. A squeeze of that taco sauce, because who says you can't have too much of a good thing? Not me, Judd. Not me. For a burst of freshness, behold the cilantro lime crema. It's like a tiny, tangy party in your mouth. Finally, about an ounce of cheddar. A beautiful cheesy crown before we unleash this masterpiece. Prepare for greatness, my friends.
Fork me. I'm all in. Now that's a full house of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share.